Hello from Johnson Ford. My name is David Mazzola. This here is stock number 915720. It is a 2021 Ford Explorer ST. That's right, a 400 horsepower all-wheel drive Explorer with only 17,000 miles on it. It does that with the 3.0 liter EcoBoost engine with the 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. These are 21-inch premium wheels. You do have a power lift gate. You do have auto start. You'll be able to link this vehicle to your Ford Pass app so you can start it from anywhere in the US. Unlock it, check availability of the vehicle as far as fuel, tire pressure, and location of the vehicle, all by simply downloading that app on your phone. Inside, you'll have all the comfort features, power seats up front, air-conditioned seats, heated seats. You can go ahead and sync your devices, either Apple or Android phones, to the large screen up front. Come take a peek at this vehicle today. These STs don't last long. Again, it is 915720, stock number on johnsonmotors.com, or just call David direct at 715-246-3673. I'll answer all your questions. We'll schedule a test drive and get this in your driveway. Appreciate your time.